All right, let's kick things off by diving into the world of investing. Have you ever wondered how to avoid common investing mistakes? Well, you're not alone. Surprisingly, studies show that a large number of people struggle with making wise investment decisions. Now let's talk about the importance of learning from the best in the business. Today we're going to explore how you can steer clear of investment pitfalls by taking a page from the book of none other than Warren Buffett, a legendary figure in the world of investing. So, what are some of the most common mistakes that many people make when it comes to investing? One big blunder is letting emotions drive their decisions. Another mistake is not doing enough research before diving into investments. And let's not forget about the classic error of blindly following the crowd. Now let's delve deeper into some specific examples of these investing mistakes. By drawing on Warren Buffett's timeless principles and quotes, we can see the importance of adopting a long-term, value-based strategy when it comes to investing. Buffett's approach emphasizes the significance of looking beyond short-term gains and focusing on intrinsic value. Here comes the key insight. Successful investing isn't about quick wins. It's about patience, discipline, and a steadfast commitment to seeking intrinsic value in investments. In other words, it's about playing the long game and staying true to your investment principles. In summary, learning from Warren Buffett's investing philosophy can help you sidestep costly mistakes. By taking a page from his playbook, you can build a solid foundation for your investment journey and increase your chances of success in the long run. Now here's your call to action. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more valuable financial education content. Feel free to share your own investing experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with learning and taking action. Thanks for watching.